Your iPhone apps could be tracking you without you even knowing it. That's why in this video, I wanted to show you how you can put an end to this happening on your phone. Okay, jumping right in. First off, you're going to want to go to your settings and go to privacy and security. That's where we'll be in this video. Go to location services and unselect any apps that you don't want to track your location. You would not believe how many apps that seemingly don't need that data are actually tracking it. Now before we go to our next safety tip, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of our future tech content. Okay, now remaining in the privacy and security section of settings, let's go over to microphone access. When I looked at these, I wondered to myself why my SmartThings app would need access to my microphone. And if you look at the camera access, I was looking through them and I didn't understand why the NFL app would need access to my camera. Now, of course, some of these apps may just be tracking that data for reasons I don't understand, but as far as I know, I'm turning these off because I don't want just any app tracking that data, and I strongly suggest that you look through all of these and make sure that all of your data is secure as well. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and will consider subscribing for more of my tech content just like this. I'll see you all in the next one.